Today we're going to do my Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday in addition to other stores, but I saved this for a separate haul. So let's just jump right in. I got 3 of the wreath frames. So 3 of those. My daughter likes to make wreaths, so I got her some of those. And what else we got? I got 2 of these. The little, what size are these? 3-pack, and it's a little 2-pound meatloaf size. So I got 2 packages of those. Each one has 3 in it. Okay, we got a little oval metal tray, a little rectangle metal tray. They have little, it's hard to see, little filigree design in it. And then I thought these were good deals. So Dollar Tree for $1 is fixing to be grill season. So little cleaning, that kind of cleaning brush, and this kind of cleaning brush for my grill. So not bad, and I can just throw those away at the end of the grill season. So I thought that was a good deal. And what else we got in here? Oh, I thought these were a real good deal. So a lot of the churches around before Christmas time, they will do the little shoebox that they send to other places. Look at that. Bibles for $1. So I got 2 white and 2 black. So those will be a good donation. But it's the whole Bible. It's Old Testament and New Testament. So I thought that was a real good deal. Alright. Now I got these. I got 2 of these. Now I know they are gardening kneeling pads, and I got 2 of them, but the main reason I got these is because I've got wood laminate flooring that I will eventually put down in my living room and hallway, and I need this to kneel on so that I can install the flooring. So maybe I'll go show you the flooring. I've got the flooring already, so I might go show you the flooring in a little while. But that'll come in handy when we go to install the flooring. Now these, I got 3 of these. It's a little floor mat, like for the entranceway, and it's not rubber backed or anything, but it's looks pretty heavy duty. So I got these 3 items for the kitty room. The kitty cats have their own bedroom, so I thought I would try these in the cat room to see if maybe they would like to use it. You know how kitties like to use their claws on everything. I thought maybe they would like this, so I got that for the kitty room. Alright, what else we got in here? I got some of these items for our upcoming vacation. So I got a mesh laundry bag. It zips shut. I actually got 2 of those. And then I got these storage bags. 3 bags in here for $1. So I like to have these for various, helping with packing, even though I do have packing cubes that I got a good deal on, and I'll do that in another video later on. But I see these and I pick them up because I do like these bags. And then I got my daughter a couple of things. She's out of town. She's on her way back from a band trip to Tennessee. So she collects dinosaurs. She loves her little dinosaur, everything dinosaur. So I got her, look at there, 4 little dinosaurs. That one. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. They all have cute little expressions on their faces. And this one looks a lot like Figment that she loves so much at Epcot at Disney World. So I got those for her. I don't go to Dollar Tree every week. I just go occasionally, but I was glad I was able to pick up the especially this and the mats for the kitty room. So that's what I got at Dollar Tree, and I'll be back later with, oh, hold on, let me go grab my little portable camera. This one's on a tripod. I'll go grab my little portable camera and I'll go show you the flooring that I got for my living room and hallway. Just a minute. Alright, y'all, we are in my bedroom closet. This is the flooring that I got. I got it at Home Depot. It's a Lakeshore Pecan laminate flooring. It looks just like the pecan shell would look. It's real pretty, and it was real reasonable. I've got however much is there. I just know it's enough to cover my living room and my hallway. But when I bought it, I paid 69 cents a square foot for it. I think it's 79 cents a square foot now. But I will put a link in the description box below to this flooring. I got it at Home Depot, and I managed to bring it home in my car. I have a little Toyota Corolla. I just laid the back seats down and brought all this home at once. So it just sits here. It's going to sit here in my closet until I get a chance to install it. I've still got to rip up a little bit more carpet and tack strips around the perimeter of the room before I can install this. So there's my flooring that I'll put in soon. I think it's real pretty. Alright, there's my flooring that I've got that I'm waiting to install. I've still, like I said, I've still got a little bit more carpet to rip up and tack strips to get up before I can install it. Plus, I've got to finish painting these walls. I want to get the walls painted, finish painting them before I install the new flooring, because I don't want to. Right now, if I paint with concrete down, because I have concrete slab, I can just, it doesn't matter if I spill, I can spill all I want on concrete slab and it'll be fine. So I'm going to finish painting the walls, and then we'll work on getting the flooring installed. So these will come in real handy when I go to install the flooring. Well, there's everything I got from Dollar Tree yesterday, and I will be doing really soon a haul of the items that I have been collecting over the last several months for our upcoming Disney World vacation. So I'll be doing that probably in the next couple of days. So see y'all later. Bye.